So this is my survey poll that I would send or would probably email to students at the beginning of a course. It basically just asks, it starts with how familiar are they with industrial design, and then that's a multiple choice question, and then it moves on to why they're interested, which would be a short answer or short response. And then what types of products would they be most interested in designing to get a kind of a feel for what they might want to learn about in the course with emphasis on those things. And then what are they most interested in doing with industrial design? I made it that they could choose more than one thing, but I thought it would be nice to know what they're coming at it from, what kind of an interest they're coming at it from. And then because there are multiple different kinds of work environments that you can go into with industrial design, such as working alone at home um, as an independently contracted designer or working in a cooperative environment for a firm. I thought it would be nice to know what they're interested in, and also I thought that could apply to work, to know if they would like more class projects where they would have to work with other people, or projects that they would work on their own, and maybe having them do things that they wouldn't be more comfortable with, to see if there actually would be an interest there that they didn't even know they had. And then to have that emailed to other people, you would just go into send and enter their emails here, and then you can send it to them, or you can get a link. Um, and then to see the responses, I have two so far. It shows percentages for things that are multiple choice to see kind of what the percentages are, and then for short answer, it shows you what they said. And overall, I think it's very informative, and it would be a good way to get a feel for a class and how they feel about the material or what they're interested in.